Hi, I'm Katie and this is my surfing series warm-up workout. So this workout we're going to do today is focused on engaging all the muscles that we need to get firing for a surf, and also releasing through the shoulders and the hips and getting us nice and flexible. So it's just important to remember our Pilates breathing today. When we inhale through the nose, taking a nice deep breath, filling the back of the rib cage up with air, and then as we exhale out, we're going to exhale through our mouth, making quite an accentuated sound and aiming to draw our belly button in towards our spine and engage that deep core layer of abdominals. So just have a few breaths here. Shrinking that distance between your ribs and hips, really wrapping the rib cage together. Last breath. Good. Release the shoulders. We're just going to start with a few roll downs. And firstly, releasing through the arms. So we're going to interlace the fingers. Inhale. Press them up and overhead. Exhale. Float them down by your side, just opening up through the shoulders. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relaxing those shoulders now, deep breath. Exhale, draw your chin to the chest, soften the knees and start to roll down towards the toes, keeping that weight forward, all the way down. Inhale. Exhale, use that core connection, that drawing in of the belly button towards the spine, just slowly roll you all the way back up to standing. Inhale. Exhale. So the goal here being to try and keep that weight forward in your toes. All this is if you feel like you could fall over. Inhale. Exhale. And last one, inhale. Exhale. Trying to feel where we're tight in the spine, trying to feel that articulation. It might be the hamstrings, it might be a part of your spine that moves all at once. Going to bend the right knee now. Place the right hand down on the ground or on your knee. And rotate that left arm up towards the sky, just starting to open up through the shoulders. Really nice stretch for our ITV, that band down the outside of the leg. And release it back to center. And rotate around to the right. Opening up through the shoulders, the pecs. And folding it back down. And from there, we're going to step our right leg back into a running lunge. So just find your balance. Make sure that top knee is not trapping over the ankle. And cross up. Take the arms up and overhead. Grab hold of that right hand and reach it up and over to the left. So sinking down, getting a nice release through your hip flexor, through the side body. And release back to center. Fold it forward, and we're going to step that left leg back just into plank. We're going to hold it here just for a few breaths, starting to warm up through the core. So in our plank, really important to make sure that those wrists are directly beneath the elbows and the shoulders. Try and make sure the shoulders are drawing away from the ears. Feel that length through the crown of the head all the way down to the ankles. And we're not collapsing through the chest, but pressing away from the ground. So make sure that chest is staying a little bit lifted. Just a few more breaths here. Two more breaths. Last one, and then slowly lower all the way down. Release the hands. And we're going to press up just either into Cobra, or you can press up into Alpine Dog. You want to get more of a stretch through the chest. And lowering it back down now. Untuck the toes, and we're going to press back into a pike. So lift the sit bones up. Walk the feet in a little bit. And we're pressing the chest towards the thighs. Really important here to remember it's not a hamstring stretch. It's more about getting that extension through the spine. So what I find helps me is to bend the knees, press the chest towards the thighs, and then straighten the legs, keeping the chest where it is. Good, just a few breaths here. And then we're going to step that right leg up between the hands. into that running lunge on the other side. Find your balance. Ooh. And do not fall in the pool. That would be awkward. Take that left arm up and reach it up and overhead. Still trying to stay lengthened, so we're trying not to collapse that side body. Sinking down, opening through the hip flexors. And back to center. Lower those hands back down. Step it back into plank again. Just getting that core firing. Getting the shoulders working. 5 breaths here. Lengthening through the crown of the head, drawing through those ankles. And last breath. Slowly lower it down, keeping those elbows tucked in towards the body. And we're going to come down onto our stomach now for some swimming. So these exercises are really, really great to get the shoulders working and all our spinal extensors as well, which are really important in surfing. So we're going to start with the arms. Really important here to make sure the core is switched on while we're swimming. So we don't want to be sinking into the lower back and collapsing. So imagine like there's a little ice cube under your belly button. And you're lifting that tummy up off the mat and you'll instantly feel you're supporting your spine. So we're going to start with the arms. Taking the arms out in front of you, reaching them long. We're just going to alternate side to side. So lifting right arm, then left, slowly. Keeping that core on. If it feels easy, it's probably because the core's not on, it's not working. Important here not to look out because you don't want to have that bend in the spine. Just keep it nice and lengthened. So keep breathing side to side. Getting all those little stabilizing muscles working. And you can release the arms down. You can lower the head to the mat if it feels good. Again, make sure that core is on. Now we're going to start with the legs. Left leg and right. Side to side. Again, small movement here. But the focus is on the movement coming from the glutes. So try and make sure here that you're not using your hamstrings or your quads. All coming from the butt. Side to side, just slowly alternating. Keep that core lifted. Just a few more breaths like that. And lower the legs down. And now we're going to add the two together. And you might feel a bit ridiculous, because I always do, and a bit uncoordinated. But we're going to take the arms out, take the legs out, and just alternate side to side now. Keeping that core engaged. Use the breath. Reaching long through the body. Crown of head all the way to the toes. Keep it going. You're at home doing this, so don't worry if you look under. And now we're going to speed it up a little bit. A few more breaths here. And release the head back down to the mat. And from there, we're going to roll over onto our back. And just open up into our hips a little bit. And our lower back. So draw your right knee in towards your chest. Take it down and out towards your right shoulder. Just opening up into your hip flexor. And then press that knee all the way across the body, down to the ground. And if it feels okay through your shoulder and through your neck, look across towards that right palm. Just a few breaths here. You might feel a few little pops of pressure releasing in your spine. This is really, really great to release through the lower back, through the shoulders. And come back to center. Switch sides. Take that left knee down and out towards that left shoulder, keeping that hip stable. And then when you're ready, press it all the way across the body. And that left arm. center. Reach both legs long. Legs are zipped together here, all the way from our glutes down to our tippy toes. Reach the arms up overhead, and we're going to come into some roll-ups, and you can grab a hold of the back of the thighs here if you need to for support. We're going to inhale, lift the arms, head and shoulders up. Exhale, use your core to help you to sit all the way up. Drawing in with the abdominals here, providing resistance, so we're getting lengthening through the spine. Inhale. Exhale. Try and keep your feet where they are as you slowly roll all the way back down. Arms overhead. Inhale. Exhale. As I said, you can grab hold of the back of the legs here, or you can use a resistance band if that helps. Slow control all the way back down. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. And in that last one, we're going to reach our arms up overhead and grab a hold of either your shins, your ankles, or your feet, depending on your flexibility, how you're feeling in the hamstrings today. Reaching it all the way over. Just a few breaths here. And releasing. And coming up into sitting. And we're going to draw those feet in a little bit closer towards the body now. We're going to come into some rollbacks. So really important here to just come to your range of movement. So you only need to come as far back as you can start to feel that deep core connection kicking in. So we're going to start sitting up. We're going to inhale, exhale to roll back, just to that point that I mentioned where you can go, okay, I can start to feel my abs kicking in and working here. We're going to inhale to lift the arms up, exhale, press them down. Inhale, lift, exhale. So just getting our abs working a little bit now. Good. Five more like this. Nice control. So it's not about what it looks like, it's about what that range of movement is in our body. And making sure it's nice controlled movement. Last one. And we're going to get into our obliques a little bit now. So face the palms down. We're going to inhale, draw that right elbow back and look past the elbow. Exhale back to center. Inhale, looking to the left. Exhale back to center. Exhale. Exhale. Exhale, good. Keep going, side to side. If it's too much at any point, just come up a little bit higher. Exhale. We're exhaling as we're exerting the abdominals. And make sure that head is looking past the elbow, because this is really easy. I could do this all day. But to get that work in the obliques, we need to actually fully rotate. And turning that head's going to help you get that rotation. Good. Keep going. 3 more to each side. And last one. Back to center. And roll it all the way back up to sitting. And we're going to cross our legs now. Just have a nice little opening through the hips and the glutes. So sitting up nice and tall, we're going to fold forward, reaching long through the fingers, lengthening through the crown of the head. Walk the palms all the way around to the right. And around to the left. Just opening up through the side body. And back to center. Switch your legs around. And fold forward. So noticing maybe a bit of a difference on each side in the hips or the glutes. It might be a little bit tighter. And use the breath to sink a little bit lower. Each time a little bit deeper. Around to the left. Back to center. and all the way back up. And that's my surfing series warm-up workout. I hope you're feeling nice and open and released, and also a little bit strong through the core. All ready for a start.